Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're continuing our video series on matters that are relevant and important to family law. So please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about, can the dad get 50-50 custody? Well, like anything else in life, there's a short answer and a long answer. The short answer is yes. Law has long since gotten away from the model where the mom always got the custody. The dad has the equal opportunity to get his share of legal custody. It could be legal custody 50-50, could be physical custody 50-50. And you start out with the point that both parties have equal opportunity to get it. Now, there are certain landmines along the way, certain things that you can avoid, and if you can avoid the pitfalls, you can increase the possibility that you'll get whatever custody you want, but you got to watch out for it. So number one, you got to make sure, because the court's going to look at various factors in analyzing what's in the best interest of the child, you got to not let yourself be pulled into things that are going to hold you in a bad light. One of the factors, for example, is the presence of domestic violence in the household. So you got to make sure that you're not somehow, baited into a situation where the police come and you get arrested for domestic violence. Because if all things are equal and there's domestic violence, the other party's going to get the custody. So you got to watch out, make sure that things don't escalate. That's the biggest landmine that there is the escalation of what is already a strained relationship. So that could be a big issue. Number two, and I can't stress this enough, it's very important, don't diminish the importance of the other parent in front of your kid. Don't horribilize the other parent. Don't try to, use the time with your kid to badmouth the other parent, because eventually, if it gets back to the court, you will be held in a very negative light in that regard. And it's likely that if all things are equal, the court could look at that and say, you know what, you're not really encouraging the relationship between the child and the other parent because you're just bad-mouthing the other parent. Therefore, I'm going to give the custody to the other side. So there's always a temptation to try and bad-mouth the other parent because there's hurt feelings and whatnot. You really need to avoid doing those kind of things. I would say that if you could avoid the drama in general between you and your ex, you will keep the playing field even. But as soon as you escalate the drama, one way or another, be it bad-mouthing the parent or whatever, but domestic violence is certainly on the other end of that spectrum. But the point is, no matter what you do, if you're escalating that to the degree that it's obvious that one parent has one position as a victim and one parent has a position as a perpetrator, guess what? That's already a battle that you're losing in terms of dividing up the custody, because that could very well be construed against you. So if you're going to avoid anything, the landmines are drama related. Avoid the drama, avoid the landmines, and then you'll keep it at an even keel and have your shot at the same custody as the other parent. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.